Okay, well, I'm going to open this box, and for security reasons I can't show a lot of what I'm about to do, but once I get the box open I will bring it back. Okay, the box is open, and there's protective paper, and looks like more protective paper, and this is what I got. I remember the Illinois Central logo from when I was a kid, so I saw that and I had to get one. I've never had anything by Atlas in the whole 2 months and 1 week that I've had trains, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, well, I'm going to open this up, which as usual I can't do with one hand, and I'll be honest, I can barely do it with 2 hands, but alright, we got some Bachmann doesn't put protective bubble wrap in theirs, but there it is. Let me take it out. Now, something interesting is it comes with extra parts that are very tiny, and my eyes are very bad, so I probably will not be doing anything with those. But there it is. Now let me put it on the track. Now, interestingly, there was a protective piece on the bottom, but after I took that off, it set down on the track pretty well. So I'm going to flip the switch on the controller. It's turned on now, so let's see what happens. It's moving. It's moving forward. I'm at about 1/3 power. I'm at 1/2 power. I'm at full speed. Straight out of the box. Came to a slow stop. Let me back it up here. Makes some noise. Seems to be a common theme with Kato, whatever. Slow speed. Do that again. Yeah. All right. Now for the other one. Same thing, had bubble wrap, that's nice. Let me see, let me take it out. Alright, there were more tiny parts and another protective cover on the bottom. But, that's it. Alright, I've flipped the switch. Let's see how it runs. Same sound. 1/3 power. 1/2 power. Full power. And when I cut power, it rolls for quite a distance. Let's back it up. Alright, let's slow up. Alright. Let's slow forward. flow backwards. Seems fine so far. I need to break both of these in though. Okay, so just cut the paper. Let's see what's in this one. More protective paper. And of course the box is backwards. Alright, it's the M1 track set. Kato, or whatever. Hi, I'm Patrick, and in this video, as you've already seen, I unboxed two Kato engines, an Atlas rail car, also the Kato M1 track set, along with a Kato number 4 turnout. This is my new version of my Trainville layout. Brought over all of the little paper buildings and decorations and the little yarn trees that I've made. I haven't attached the trees yet, but you can see I've got those two new Kato engines. One is the Dash 9 over there, is the Santa Fe livery on it, and then I've got the GEVO over here with the BNSF swoosh logo. I don't have any BNSF, a lot of letters. I don't have any Burlington Northern Santa Fe rolling stock yet. I've got all the older Santa Fe and Burlington Northern, along with that Illinois Central car with the Santa Fe Dash 9. And you can see now that I'm operating the turnout. I did get the switch to operate it remotely, so I don't have to keep pushing the little button back and forth by hand, which did cause a derailment on the other line, where right now you can see I've got the 262 Prairie from Bachmann running. But you can see I've swapped trains now. I've got the GEVO running, and the Dash 9 is on the side. So far, I've put several hours on both of them. I kind of go back and forth between which one I run. I've noticed that, and I haven't tested to see how much power the Bachmann controller puts out, but I've noticed that they run significantly faster at full power using the Bachmann controller on the Bachmann track than using full speed on the Kato controller on the Kato track. I suspect the Bachmann controller puts out more than 12 volts. It's not good. I need to test that and see. Overall, the Kato track had zero issues putting it together. Bachmann track was kind of painful to get it together correctly, and the Kato track is nice and smooth. I haven't had any problems. The only problem I've had with that number 4 turnout that is supposed to be kind of notorious for derailments is occasionally if those CN box cars are right behind the engine and you back over the turnout on the main line, I've had them derail. I think that's a coupler issue. As far as the little Atlas Illinois Central car, the couplers on it just didn't work well. Here you're going to see I'm going to pull number 667 back out onto the main line. This is an up-close view of that. I replaced the couplers on the Atlas car with Eve model Easy Mates that are basically identical to the Bachmann couplers, but yet I've noticed that the Bachmann couplers work better with the Kato couplers than the Eve model couplers do. But that's not a problem because most of my rolling stock is Bachmann. But here we are for switching 58 back onto the side. Overall, both engines run really good. They're a little noisy, but they're smooth and got a lot of power. I like the lights on them. They have reverse lights. They have forward lights. Really nice, and I think they're definitely good. And for the price, I mean, the price and quality is great. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day.